Hello. In this video, we will learn how to configure the module to track Adwords conversions using the Google conversion code. Once inside the Adwords interface, we will click on the wrench icon on the top right part of the screen. Then click on Conversions. Hit the plus button to create a new one. We will choose website type. Then, write a name for the conversion. Select the purchase category. In the value options, select the second. Use different values for each conversion. Scroll down and hit the Create Continue button. Now Adwords will show us a new page with 2 boxes of HTML code. We will scroll down until we found the second one. Select the code and copy it. Then we will go to our PrestaShop. Go to the module configuration page and paste the code inside the box. After a few milliseconds, we should see a value in the 2 fields below the box. Save, and the module will be ready to track conversions with Google Adwords. Thanks for watching.